Hey scientists, welcome to How to Write a CER, the claim. Okay, this video is just going to teach you how to write a claim, and we're going to use Bill Nye to help us. So just so you remember, CER stands for Claim, Evidence, Reasoning. It's what scientists do when they are trying to prove something. It is one way to write in science, but it is not the only way, right? It's similar to saying I'm writing a sentence, I'm writing a paragraph. It's a type of writing we do, it's a structure, but it isn't the only writing we do. Okay, so let's look at the claim. Basically, the claim is a statement about what we are trying to prove. So for this project, we're trying to prove that people do real scientists work when they are scientists. So we're going to prove that Bill Nye is a real scientist. Spoilers, he actually is a real scientist, and I'm actually really going to prove it to you. Okay, so my claim is simply that Bill Nye is a real scientist. Your claim can be just as simple. It doesn't have to be complicated, especially for this one. And all I did was I took the prompt and I took out a couple of words and made it into a shorter statement. So instead of saying prove that, right? Prove that a real scientist does science work. Nope. I'm going to say Bill Nye is a real scientist and make it a statement. If you had a claim that was a question, you can rearrange it and take out a couple of words and make it into a claim. Is Bill Nye a real scientist? That might be the writing prompt. And you would say, Bill Nye is a real scientist as the claim. Now, what does that look like for your scientists? Well, you could say something like, Dr. Erin McGee is a scientist. You could say Sam Spalding is a scientist. You could say Dr. Sasha Rollin is a scientist. Are you getting the idea? If your claim looks just like this for your scientist, it's totally fine. Now, if you're interested in a little bit more of a challenge, you could try something like this. Dr. Erin McGee is a biologist who studies lizards. Your evidence and your reasoning is going to have to back that up, but you could totally try it. Sam Spalding is known as a gamer, but he is also a scientist. Same thing, evidence and reasoning has to back it up, but you could try something just a little bit harder if you wanted to. Dr. Sasha Rollin is an astrophysicist. Same thing, evidence and reasoning has to back it up, but you could try that one if you wanted a challenge. But there is nothing wrong with simply saying that your scientist is a scientist, because that's what we're trying to prove for this project. All right, hope that helps. Good luck, scientists.